Here's a clip on the timeline of Davinci Resolve, and the question is, where is this located on my hard drive, let's say in File Explorer. To find out the path of this clip, first let's take a look at the name. It says compound clip, so there are multiple files inside this red highlighted element. So to get into this compound clip, right click on it, open in timeline. Here we have the first clip inside the compound clip and the second clip. Okay, so right click on any of those clips, find in media pool, and here's the media pool in the upper left corner, and one clip is highlighted in red. So this one is this. If I right click on that one, find in media pool, then it jumped to the next one. To find out the path of these files, simply right click on those and open File Location. And it opened the File Explorer window. This is the file, it's that one. 150 is this one, the first one. And this is the path where they are located on the hard drive. It's on the E drive, desktop folder, one folder, DJI folder. So that's how to find out the path of your video files on your hard drive. Now, since we are inside the compound clip, we have to double click on this timeline and we will get out from it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.